Hey guys, it's Chris here with Investing with Chris, and welcome back to my 12th episode of my Wealthsimple Portfolio Trade Challenge, where I try to make passive earnings on swing trades and ETFs. So, in terms of updates with the market this week, the S&P 500 had an up and down cycle, and it remained relatively the same from the previous week, same as with the Nasdaq and Dow Jones. So, looking back on my previous video, I was looking at two stocks, Walmart and Nvidia, because they had earnings calls this week, and my predictions were correct, as in I did say that Walmart was going to increase their earnings and the stock price did go up. Nvidia also beat their earnings as well, but their stock fell a little bit after, as you can see here. In terms of the crypto market, Bitcoin has gone up as well. It is sitting roughly around $136,000 Canadian in the making of this video, and crypto has gone up significantly in the past month. It has gone up over 50%, and you might see something different in my portfolio since I am talking about Bitcoin now. And as a result of Bitcoin's success of going up, there has been stocks that dabble with Bitcoin also see a big rise in the stock market as well. One being MSTR, MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is essentially an AI company that purchases and deals with AI, and they recently just announced that they are going to buy $30 billion worth of Bitcoin. That is essentially why they have gone up over 90% in the past month, reaching over $540, but then decreasing right down after that on a Thursday. They've been gaining 10% every single day this past week up until Thursday, where they dropped 16%. They were up 10% in the morning, and then they dropped down 16% at the end of the day, which is an absurd price change in a stock. In other major stock moves, Reddit was down 7% on Friday, as their app was down for the day, which caused their stock price to go down 7%. So as you can see here, I am all time right now $74,146.90, and you might have just seen something change there on the daily. That's because of something that I'll talk to you about later. But as you can see here, all time I am up $19,702.88, or 36.19% all time. As you can see here, the cash account has stayed the same. TFSA is on a different account. My FHSA is sitting at $9,724.03. On the weekly, it is up $82.55, or 0.86%, and it is holding VFV. And I currently hold 65 shares, and it's sitting at $1,653, or 20.73% all time. In my non-registered account, I am currently sitting at $64,032.92. On the daily, I am down $97. On the weekly, I'm up $728, or 1.15%. The monthly, $982, or 1.56%. $3,278 on the 3 months. Yearly, $8,581, or 15.48% all past year, or $17,793, or 38.48% all time. As you can see here, my holdings have not changed since the previous week, but there have been some price changes in the stocks. Apple, for instance, I am up $3,128, or 30.22%. C&Q, where I did discuss last week where I did want to sell it if it did go up, and it has gone up, but I'm still holding onto it until I break even. So currently I am down $96, or 1.77% all time, where in the previous video I was down, I believe, $270. Here we have Dollarama, Meta, Microsoft, Tech, VFV, XQT, and Nvidia. As you guys can see here, I recently did receive a dividend from Apple, but this is the Canadian hedge version. So here you can see I received $12.56 Canadian, $2.04. Since Apple is in the US and I live in Canada, we have to pay a withholding US tax on it, and that's why they deducted $1.88, 31 cents, and 1 cent. And I actually did invest in some crypto this week as well, considering how I wasn't as diversified. I didn't own any Bitcoin or Ethereum, especially in this day of age. I currently purchased around $365.58 worth of Bitcoin at the time. Currently, it's sitting at $377, so essentially with a profit of $11 or 3.22% since then. And I am currently holding 0.002746 points of a coin. But I'm looking to invest in crypto by putting in maybe roughly $50 a week into this, as I see this as a viable asset in the future, especially Bitcoin having a limited amount of coins that can be mined. So this will limit the supply, thus driving the demand for it and resulting the stock price. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe down below if you did. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns about my portfolio. If you ever want to join Wealthsimple, there's a referral link down in the description below where you get $25 in value if you use my link and create an account with Wealthsimple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys next time.